The good news about Jesus has come to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 45 to verse 66. Now, from middle day, the whole place get dark till 3 o'clock. When it catch about 3 o'clock, Jesus shout out loud, Eli, Eli, lema sabachthani. That mean, me God, what make you left me and gone? When some of the people them when they turn up there, hear him, them say, the man you call for Elijah. Said time, one of them run go get one sponge and fill it up with sour wine and put it on one piece of thick and give him for drink. But the rest of them say, left him and make we see if Elijah I go come save him. Then Jesus bawl out again loud and put him spirit in a God hand. Same time, the curtain where it hang up in a God house split in a two from top to bottom. The earth shake up and the rock stone them split open. Tomb fly open and whole heap of God people them where they dead come back alive. Them come out of them tomb. And after Jesus dead and come back, them go in a Jerusalem and whole heap of people see them. When they head for 100 soldier and the soldier them where they there with him, a guard Jesus, see the earthquake and all where did that happen, them catch them afraid, wicked. Hear them now? For real. That one ya did a God boy pick me for true. Whole heap of woman did turn up further out and watch what go on. Them they come with Jesus from Galilee and did a look after him. In the group, you did have Mary Magdalene, Mary, that had James and Joseph mother, and Zebedee boy pickney their mother, they did it too. Now, when evening catch, one rich man from Arimathea, when named Joseph, come. Him did a one of Jesus follower them too. Him go Pilate, go ask him for Jesus' body. And Pilate said him forgive him it. Joseph take the body, wrap it up in a one clean linen cloth, and put it in a one new tomb that I did for him own a tomb where did in the rock. Then he roll one big stone cross in front of the tomb. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary, they just sit on there, cross from the tomb. The next day that I did, the Sabbath day, the head priest them and the Pharisee them meet up together in front of Pilate. Them say, sir, remember when the old liar that is still alive? Or in when say, after 3 days, me go come back alive. So tell them, sir, to make sure say the tomb guard good till the 3rd day. So him follower them no come take him body and tell the people them say, him come back alive. If them say so and trick up people, that the lie there would have worse than the first one when in the claim say him are the Christ. So Pilate said to them, say, take one group of soldiers to go guard the tomb and make sure so they guard it the best way them can guard it. So then left go away with the soldier them and they mark the stone so they wouldn't know if nobody move it. And God would this. Thank God